láti 2018 ni àbúrò mi ti travel out tó ti lọ sí ìlú Oman. Ní àti UK wọ́n ti pè mí pé àbúrò mi wà ní Murità bá mi máa dẹ̀ kí n máa lọ síbẹ̀ o kí n lọ wò bóyá àbúrò mi ni o. Mo ṣe débẹ̀ àbúrò mi ò wà okay mọ́ kò wà normal o. Wọ́n ti ṣàbúrò mi léṣe o kò wà okay mọ́ ẹ ṣàánú mi o.
Got back from Oman, everything has not been well with me. I'm sick. My experience there is very bad. I don't like them at all in any way. They use and up.
Our situation is as a result of depression. Here we are, for me, is good to go home. She's good to be integrated back to the society.
I really thank God today that I'm alive. As my mother saw me that I'm alive. I thank the people that is helping me. I really thank God for them. I passed through a lot in Oman before I came down here. I can't really explain. I went there to go and do an ask help. So when I get there, they help me make something that I don't really like. They are forcing people to do what they don't want to do. They don't want to pay me my money, that's why they did that. It's just plan work for me. All what they done to me, just plan work. The man was using cane to beat me, so I now hit him back with my punch. I now hit him back. I now broke one thighs.